Hello, my name is Abigail Newhouse, and today we are going to dive into the world of tuna. Whether it is sold fresh, frozen, or canned, there's so many options for you, the consumer. Today, however, I'm going to talk about the canned variety. Did you know that canned tuna is the second leading purchased seafood product in the United States? Americans eat around 1 billion pounds of canned tuna each year. Pretty crazy, right? So what's so amazing about canned tuna? Canned tuna not only provides a powerhouse of great nutrition, it's also widely available to us, the consumers. You can find canned tuna in a variety of locations, from grocery stores to convenience stores. Canned tuna is also really affordable. On average, a can of tuna costs less than $1 per can, which makes it a great, easy addition to your weekly meal plan. Canned tuna is also shelf-stable. So what does shelf-stable mean? It means that it can stay up in your cupboards for quite a long time. When in doubt, however, always check that Best By label. And also make sure to check for any dents, bulging, or rust to make sure that your food is not contaminated, which could make you sick. So now we know how canned tuna can affect our wallets. But how can it affect our bodies? Tuna is part of that ideal group of lean proteins. You know that stuff they always tell us to eat more of. So what does lean mean? A lean protein is something that has less than 10 grams of fat, less than 4.5 grams of saturated fat, and less than 95 milligrams of cholesterol per serving. Canned tuna meets all of these criteria and boasts around 20 grams of protein per 3-ounce can. This lean protein provides us with energy and is the building blocks for our cells. It helps our body repair, muscle, and heal from injuries. Tuna is a great source of heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Our bodies can't make these fatty acids, and so we have to get them from foods. Omega-3 fatty acids are great in reducing inflammation in our bodies. So they're great at reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and can help in prevention of Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Canned tuna also provides us with vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for bone health and helps us absorb calcium into our bodies. Canned tuna is also a very versatile ingredient. Whether you're serving it on whole grain tortillas, bread, with whole grain crackers, or on leafy greens as a salad or in your favorite casserole. Today, I'm going to prepare a Southwest tuna salad. This salad has black beans. And if you need a quick refresher about how to prepare your black beans, go ahead and visit my fellow intern Christina's video all about black beans. No matter the brand you buy, always remember to get light canned tuna and water and pack a protein punch with your next meal or snack.